So we're testing out the Mavic Air. We're gonna try out some of the automated controls first, and then we'll fly it with the remote. So let's check it out.
Yeah, there we go. And if you hold it down there for 3 seconds, it'll land. And I think it'll also follow you around if you
So I've used a drone a lot for other projects and things, and I've used it with the remote, but I've actually never used any of the fun built-in features like boomerang or like being able to use gestures and things with your hands. Very cool.
Oh, asteroid, I think. Yeah, so there's that, and then it literally will look like...
Man, I'm used to like Nintendo 64s, man. This is blowing my mind.
So what's cool about this drone is that I've flown drones for probably 3 or 4 years, and a few years ago the drones were so big, and now they've gotten them so small, and I think this one for sure is one of the best ones I've seen. They have another one that's smaller that they make, but I think for me the Mavic Air is a perfect balance of size and quality. And I mean, I remember a few years ago carrying around a big drone in my bag, traveling, and now that they've gotten it down to this size, I mean, you can hold it in your pocket basically. I mean, incredible. Very, very cool. Super innovative, really cool to see how the drone technology is evolving, and it'll be interesting to see in a few years if they've gotten them even smaller. But yeah, Mavic Air, very cool. So we're testing out the Mavic Air. We're gonna try out some of the automated controls first, and then we'll fly it with the remote.